Welcome to Novatech. If you enjoy this type of content, then subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our latest and greatest uploads. It's hard to stay up to date with the ever-growing, forever-changing tech space, but luckily for you, that's where we come in. We're constantly researching recent trends in the tech space and updating our list of cool gadgets accordingly. At 2023's CES, a yearly event that highlights the latest innovation and emerging trends in the tech space, we saw leading brands showcase products that will upgrade your home office, transform any living room into a legit home theater, step up your gaming setup, and improve your wellness routine, all while keeping you safe and sane. We feel that tech gadgets are all about making your life easier and more enjoyable. Number 10. Peak Design Tech Pouch. $60 at peakdesign.com. The Peak Design Tech Pouch is a stylish and exceptionally made accessory that's a must-have for frequent travelers. It has enough pockets and compartments for small gadgets, charging cables, memory cards, and any other accessories you might own. Peak Design has crafted the exterior of the tech pouch using recycled nylon with a waterproof finish. There are several colors to pick from: black, charcoal, bone, midnight, and sage green. Number 9. Exter Parliament Smart Wallet. $89 at Amazon. The Exter Parliament is a smart bifold wallet with RFID coding to protect against identity theft, and a patented mechanism that ejects cards from its aluminum storage pocket with the press of a button. It has space for at least 10 cards, as well as a strap for carrying cash and receipts. Exter has crafted the wallet from high-quality leather that comes in a multitude of colors. An optional Bluetooth tracker for the wallet is also available. This ultra-thin gadget has a maximum range of 200 feet, and it is powered by light, so it never needs a battery. Number 8. Dango Products D03 Dapper Bifold EDC Wallet. $39 at Amazon. The D03 Dapper Bifold Wallet by Dango Products is an everyday accessory that effortlessly combines cool design, exceptional craftsmanship, and perfect usability. Made in the US from machined aluminum, water-resistant DTEX, and genuine leather in black or brown. The D03 wallet has space for up to 14 cards and cash. You can order the badass wallet with a satin silver or jet black aluminum chassis. Dango backs the product with a lifetime warranty. Number 7. Anker 737 Power Bank. $150 at Amazon. Anker's 737 Power Bank can charge your laptop via a fast USB Type-C connector with a maximum power output of 140 watts. It has a battery pack with ample capacity, and rather impressively, a color screen to help you keep tabs on the charging process. The accessory rocks a pair of USB Type-C ports and a USB Type-A connector, so you can simultaneously charge up to 3 devices. Number 6. Weatherman Collapsible Umbrella. $74 at Amazon. Thanks to a whole lot of innovative engineering, this collapsible umbrella by Weatherman can withstand wind gusts of up to 55 miles per hour. The product can also survive drops and inverting, with the last bit being a weak point for most umbrellas. The umbrella has a quick-drying, water-repellent fabric canopy available in many colors. Weatherman backs the product with an excellent lifetime warranty. Smaller and larger umbrellas from the brand are also available. Number 5. Raptic Link and Lock Carabiner for Apple AirTags. $30 at Amazon. The Raptic Link and Lock Carabiner is one of the coolest gadgets and best accessories for Apple AirTags we've encountered yet. Crafted from ultra-tough zinc, this product has a heavy-duty lock with a 3-digit combination code. The standout feature makes tampering with your favorite tracker and removing it from an item practically impossible. Of course, the link and lock will also protect your AirTag from damage via a rubber case with a softer interior. Number 4. Zillion Shiatsu Back and Neck Massager. $42 at Amazon. There's nothing better than a good massage, except for a good massage that never has to end. This Shiatsu massager can be used at home or even in the car, and is great for the shoulders, back, calves, and more. Number 3. Apple AirTag Tracker. $27 at Amazon, $29 at Adorama.com, $30 at Verizon.com. Apple's affordable AirTag tracker is a must-have tech gadget for any iPhone owner because it can seamlessly keep tabs on just about anything you attach it to. When out of your iPhone's range, the AirTag will update its location when it comes in proximity to a device that's part of Apple's Find My network. There are almost a billion of them. Number 2. Rubik's Connected Cube. $60 at Amazon, $54 at Walmart. This is a reimagined version of one of the most iconic toys ever made. With onboard Bluetooth connectivity and companion app, Rubik's Connected Cube will teach you how to solve the notoriously challenging, incredibly interactive puzzle and have fun in the process. Number 1. Finistec Z6 Portable Music Player. $40 at Amazon. This MP3 player offers a sleek design, stellar audio performance, fantastic battery life up to 90 hours between charges, expandable storage, and convenient controls, all at a fantastic under $50 price point. Its housing is metal and glass, making it look and feel more expensive than it is. The Z6 audio player has 2 wired audio outputs and future-proof Bluetooth 5.0 wireless connectivity. Other noteworthy features include a built-in loudspeaker, FM radio, and a voice recorder. And with that, we've reached the end of this video, all about how to find the latest tech gadgets. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for content just like it.